Welcome back to RTS and happy International Scrapbook Day. Now, it is Sunday and I'm hoping that you got some time to scrapbook over the weekend or have fun or maybe just enjoy some chocolate. Yes, that absolutely is a reason to celebrate and to break out during International Scrapbook Day. Yes, we all love our chocolate. Okay, so today we're going to do another giveaway, and it's about embellishments, and this is a little different, and you have to leave a different type of comment, so hang on for that. Okay, so up first we have some Dear Lizzie, a washi tape book, very beautiful, pretty colors. Okay, and then we have some Jenny Bolin plain chipboard. Those are in the, what is that? That is hexagon shape. Then we have some Fancy Pants Sweet Nothings craft tags with some gold foiling, very pretty. We have some Bow Bunny double dots in this beautiful blue. Oh, goes really well with that, Dear Lizzie. Yes, love when you can take manufacturers and put them together and just have fun. We have some We Are Memory Keepers enamel shapes, 64 in that puppy, very fun. We have some Post-it notes in this beautiful yellow and Kelly green, very pretty. Of course, that goes with the Dear Lizzie group too. Yes, okay. Then we have some Heidi Swap. We have some puffy stickers, 36 of those in that beautiful little gold, yellow gold, very pretty. Okay, and we're just going to keep on piling on here. We have some Jelly Bean Soup 30 feet craft tape. You know how I feel about this stuff. Yes, I bought a few of these myself, and when I saw them recently, had to put them in this giveaway. Very fun. It says, hello, memories are made today. Love this. Favorite little memories. That's what scrapbooking is all about, is our favorite little memories. Okay, so we have some Simple Stories, Carpe Diem in Grace. Very pretty. We have some Maggie Holmes from the Confetti. Can you imagine that line? These puffy stickers, very pretty. We have some Illustrated Faith, some crosses, or you can also do some X's and O's with those lovely supplies. I think you get, what, 40? Yeah, 40 in that group. Okay, what do we have? Studio Calico. We have a mixed bag of colorful sequins. Okay, sequins are really popular right now. We have Bow Bunny double dot jewels in this beautiful red, another 86 pieces. And I was sitting here thinking as I was doing these videos, if I counted up how many embellishments is in these giveaways, I mean, each one, I think, well, it'd be over 1,000 if you counted each piece. I mean, look at all those sequins. These are 86 a piece, or right there's almost 200, 300. I bet there's over 1,000 pieces of embellishments. Oh, love it. Okay, well, let's add another 45. We Are Memory Keepers, these gem rhinestones, dark rhinestones. That's another 45. Yes, and then we have more Jenny Bolin. These chipboard, these are in the leaves. Very fun. Very fun. Okay, how many's in that? 24. Okay, so let's just keep racking them up. And then Creative Cafe, we have some of these 10 butterfly puffy, just felt, very fun. Okay, that's another, how many did we say? 10. Okay, and now we got Studio Calico. We have some chipboard shapes in the camera, very fun. These green, love that green. And then we have some Illustrated Faith, some tab stickers, file tab stickers, very oh, just love these, quality too. I mean, look at that quality. All that. Bella Boulevard you got going on there, that is not wimpy. I do not like wimpy stickers. I don't like wimpy paper. I don't like wimpy people. No. Okay, we won't go there. Okay, Project Life. See, another 40 pieces of ephemera. Look at that. That's a beautiful set right there. Okay. Now we have Webster's Pages. We have some more bows. And look at that. You can absolutely use the packaging as embellishments too. Very fun. Okay. Now we have Hobby Lobby, the Paper Studio. Another 84 pieces. Yes. Beautiful with that mint green and the gold. That never gets old. Okay. Now we have some more Studio Calico cameras in the chipboard. Yellow. And then we have some American Crafts DIY cork butterflies. Those are fun. And then I also too have a Heidi Swap wood veneer. Oh, and it says wood veneer and cardstock. So I guess they threw a little piece of paper in there to enjoy the view. Isn't that fun? Okay. And then, of course, we have some glassine bags. We sure do. Some mailing labels, or luggage tags as I call them. Cambridge doilies. I think there's about a dozen or so. And then in this one, we have a Heidi Swap washi tube set of 6 of these. No, sorry, 8 of these. Look at that in that yellow. That's probably prettier. Look at that. Very pretty. So that's in there to go with the yellow cameras, to go with the Dear Lizzie. Okay, now we're rocking. Yeah, okay, I'm looking around here. Okay, now what else do we have? Well, you know, in giveaway number 1, number 2, number 3 had to have the same thing. So I have another same variety, just in different colors, of the wood veneer, the Amy Tangerine leather bows, studio calico shaped paper clips, paper flowers, Heidi Swap bows, American Crafts Hall Pass. I guess you could use that for a back scratcher too if you open it up big enough. Yeah, okay. KI Memories, epoxy, Bow Bunny wood veneer, Chamel flare, more shaped. I think those were making memories back in the day. Dilutions, paper clips, wood veneer, just it all going on. Just very, very pretty. Yes. And then of course I had to put in the same type of DIY faux chipboard as I did in number 1 and number 2. And we have the butterflies. These are my Martha Stewart. That's the Martha Stewart butterfly shape and some circles. And then I did some clouds. Those are by the Fisker's Punch, and some foil gold chipboard, Mickey heads, and then some bigger. Those are, again, another Martha Stewart punch. Very, very fun. So that'll all be in there inside this Paper Studio Embellishment 4x6 photo box, because you're going to have something to put all these lovelies in. Okay, so what do you need to do for giveaway number 3? Okay, because each giveaway you had to give a different type of comment. So for giveaway number 3, you must be 18 or over, USA only, be a subscriber, of course. And the comment you need to leave is, what supply or item do you have the most organized in your space? The most organized. And then if you want to be, completely transparent, what item or supply in your space do you not have organized at all? Okay, so what's the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to organizing a certain supply or a certain category in your space? And I will tell you, the thing that I feel like I have the most organized and the most under control, I'd say there's a couple things. One of them would be my thickers. I have them just in collapsible bins, but I have a key code by color. Very, very fast, efficient, and affordable. But then I would say my paper pads and my kits. So I just have like a little mini catalog, and of course I've talked about this. If you want to look into the paper pad party, we talked about that, and then also to a playlist called Rearrange the Stuff, organizing paper pads and kits. I mean, look at this. There's all my paper pads. Well, not my 6x6, okay? And then also too, I have kits. I have a representation of what my kits are, and I have them numbered, and so I just go to my closet. If I want number 5, that Fancy Pants knockoff, I go. There's some little mini ones. What else do I have? Yeah, so I think my kits, see, there are some Simple Stories. There's some Echo Park, just little kits. And then so you even have some notes. So I think for me, the supply or the category that I really have it going on, and it's because I wanted to use them. It was my paper pad. So list below, what is the supply or item you have the most organized? You got it going on. And then what is the supply or category you're like, yeah, I need some help? List below. You never know what we might have coming up in videos down the road. So that is our giveaway number 3. Yes, so definitely leave a comment. The giveaway will be open for a couple weeks. All the details will be listed below. And happy National and International Scrapbook Day. Come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.